Kaya tama ang kasabihan, walang baklang pangit sa lalaking gipit. Okay? Mga madaling utangan yun, mga bading, gusto nakakatanla-tangla ng pink card yan. Okay? But anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I'm sharing this to all the beautiful ladies and a song called Piper, beautiful song. And I'm sharing this to my very special friend, Doctor. He used to be a doctor, but he's still a doctor. He's a practicing nurse now. To your lovely wife. Yeah. I have known this guy for 15 years. Dr. Siya po ang aking anesthesiologist. Yung nanganak ako. Grabe, lutit na ako makoma nun ah. Nalitaksak niya sa akin talaga sa batok. But I am so glad to see you now. You know, the world is getting so smaller. You can get in touch with your friends, just search them in their criminal records. And then it will just appear. Rather than have to be ganun kagala. We now live in the .com and the .net world. Ganun kadala, di ba? Social. Sabi nung araw, Mario Joseph, sulat lang. Anybody who still writes a letter, no more, di ba? It's just a one click away. Well, anyway, here's a song called My Girl. Let's see who can sing better. This group, or this group. Alright? It's so easy. And if you happen to be with your wife or with your girlfriend, tell them you are my girl. Right? Now, if you happen to have a theme song, what's a theme song here? A couple. In the Philippines, we're known to be very romantic, very sentimental people. Every couple that I know claims to have at least 5 theme songs. There is a saying in our country, any couple without any theme song is like having 2 beautiful boobs without nipples. It's pointless. Importante na ang nipples, sabi ng mga Chinese, importante na ang nipples daw ay nakaturo sa sikat ng araw para ito ay buena sa negosyo. Okay? If may mga negosyo dito talagang hindi makapalo-palo, talagang walang profit, ibig sabihin something is wrong with your nipples. Tingnan niyo baka nakaturo sa sarili, ibig sabihin no return of investment. Okay? Nakaturo talaga. At mas maganda daw sabi ng mga Chinese kung ang nipples mo ay sumusunod sa sikat ng araw. Oh, kuya. Para alam mo, hindi ka na mag-release. Ay, shit, lunch lang. Alas 3 na, break time ko. Okay? She looks very Chinese. Are you Chinese, sister? At talaga? You're Filipino Chinese. Talaga? Paano nyo naman nalaman? Ha? Mayroon ba kayong sukatan? Ha? Talaga? Parang yung bisikleta niya buong-buo pa. Kasi may nilala ako, tinidor na lang natitira. You're Filipino Chinese. You speak Chinese? Okay, Chinese. Oh, see? But your heart is very Filipino. Oh, ni hao. Oh, Lisa, I will teach her. Can you give me a I would like to sing a Chinese song for her. Anything. There are Chinese soup. Real Chinese soup. That's the only Chinese song I know. Chinese soup for the time. You want to know my egg? Alright, it's a Chinese song, ladies and gentlemen. I love Chinese. Whether you like it or not, we learned how to use chopsticks because of, eating something in Ongpin, because of Chinese people. I just don't know why in the Philippines, Chinese are always the subject for kidnapping. Bakit ganun din? Chinese, they taught us to be very good entrepreneurs. Tycoons, Lu Xunyan, Henry C. Diba? Sino ba kayo? Rolito Mo. Diba yun? Mamamatay pa ako yun. Hindi siya tycoon, okay? Ex-convict yun. Maraming Chinese, I feel sad for Chinese people. These are people very, very good in making businesses really grow and contribute to the economy of our country. But I wonder why Chinese are always subject for kidnapping. You know why? Yes, because they pay the ransom right away. Kasi wala bantay, tindahan tayo, benta pa ako. Bakit walang Bombay na kinikidnap sa Pilipinas? Kasi hinuhulog-hulugan. Yung maghahatid ng ransom, nakamotor pa. May notebook. Papipirmahin ka pa. Okay? Di ba talaga isasuli ka kagad, kinidnap na Bombay, talaga kilikili pa lang. Ay, amoy sibuyas. Alright, but Chinese, my goodness, thank you. I thank my Chinese friend. I learned how to speak Chinese because of them. I learned how to appreciate anything. Kaya sabi ko nga, while I was packing all my things, I was trying to pack, I love packing. Okay. I went shopping. I stayed here for like 2 weeks. It's my last night. And I packed all the things that I bought in outlet. So, di ba? Mumura-mumurahin. H&M. $5. Buy one, 50% off. Aloka. May coupon pa. Aloka. Basta mga Pilipino nakikita ko dito sa Amerika, bakit naglalakad may mga tactile yung damit? Ang maganda ko ng kasal, yung gown nila may label. Aloka. Yung pala ipabalik ka. Nakakahiya. Ano namang gano'n? Nakakaloka. Nagigalit pa. It doesn't fit me. It's got Makati. Alright, but anyway, ladies and gentlemen, this is for your sister. Yeah, to my Chinese friend. And I hope you like this one since you're still single and virgin. Untouched. Untouched, di ba? Parang something is wrong pag umabot ka na sa ganyan. Kung believe ha, pag umabot ka na, yung mga 40 pataas, yung mga edad na 40 pataas, delikado na yan. Sus ko Mariosep, mag-self-mammogram na kayo, ipitin nyo na sa pinto, mahirap yan. Okay? 40 pataas, yung mga edad na wala na sa thermometer. Diyos ko, yan ang mga nag-hot plus, bigla rin nagagalit na walang dahilan. Ikaw yun, te. You know, I sympathize with you. I'm so sorry, sister. But you can make it's not too late yet. It's not too late yet. Oo. Ako din naman, wala akong lover, wala akong boyfriend. Di, basta yung buhay ko, abot ko. Subukan mo yan. Ha? Subukan mo abutin. Kaya mo yan, ano ka ba? Life in this world is, it's not like having a good career, okay? It's trying to be innovative and creative. Kaya mo yan, sasama kita sa dasal ko. Ano lang yan, mga insenso lang yan, okay? Okay? Alright. So, moving on, ladies and gentlemen, here's a song called My Girl. Wala ko yung sasabihin ko sa'yo. Oo, but anyway, mamaya. Ano ba hinahanap mo sa isang lalaki? Are you, Ay, mahirap yan, te. Mahirap yan. Walang lalaki, hindi mo pwedeng magsama-sama. Guwapo, mayaman, citizen. Mahirap yan, te. Walang ganun, te. Pag Godzilla, bolang chow. Ha? Bolang chow lang po, talo pa. Ha? Okay. Mahirap, no? Di ba Chinese? Di speak Chinese. Jian ni hai zhong hua mo. Okay. Well, anyway, you have to learn something like Chinese. Is there any other? Do you have an American in your house? Any American? Can you please raise your hand? Oh, we have! Uy, thank you po. Thank you. Naintindihan talaga niya ako. American who looks like my grandfather. American veteran. Okay, thank you po. Good evening. Aloka naman ito. Ganyan yung cousin ko, 30 years, inantay yung petition niya. He remains single to this day. Gusto mo nun, Ter? He's 76 years old now. Remember the saying, it's so hard to resurrect the dead. Inantay talaga niya yung kanyang petition. 30 years bago na-aprobahan. Eh, Diyos ko, ugod-ugod na ngayon, te. Oo, inantay nilang pensyon. Oo, nagsasalita na mag-isa. Nag-a-apply ng trabaho. Sabi, uuwi na ako sa Pilipinas. Walang available na trabaho. At ilan nag-good job. Just recently. And I'm so happy for him. Sabi niya, alam mo ba, anong kaming in-interview sa isang simpleng trabaho. Sabi ko talaga, isang Amerikano, isang Briton, isang Australian, isang Chinese, ako. So what happened? We were asked the same question in the interview. Sabi ko, ano yun? Sabi niya, what do you think is the fastest thing that a man can do? Sabi ko, hirap naman ng tanong, pag-beauty contest. And they started asking the American guy, sabi the American guy, it sounds cliche though, sabi niya. Thinking! Talk! Is I think the fastest thing in the world, or a man can do, thinking. Very good. Sabi ng Australia, switching on a light is faster than anything. Sabi ng Briton. Switching on a sound. Loka, di ba? Sabi ng Pinoy, pagdating sa kanya, wala na siyang maisip. Alam mo naman, Pinoy, that's the way we start our sentence.